Good morning, everyone. I hope you are fine and safe today. In today's topic, we'll be looking at adding graphics. Graphics have always been known to add more beauty to our presentation. Graphics like pictures, like charts, shapes, smart arts always bring glamour to our presentation. It allows the audience to understand what you are trying to what you're trying to present. Right, so in today's topic we are looking at adding graphics, and it's a week one topic for year four. We would look at some of our learning targets for today's lesson. We should be able to add pictures to our presentation slides, manipulate the pictures, and also see how we can add charts and smart arts to our work. First, graphics used in PowerPoint are typical examples are pictures, clip art, shapes, smart arts, and charts. We can find these in our images groups and illustration group under our insert tab. We should be able to manipulate some pictures and add some graphics. So we're not going to spend so much time today talking about this, but I want you to see how you can add them. But after adding, manipulating becomes the next thing. Manipulating pictures is the resizing, moving, or editing of a picture. To manipulate a picture, we first click the picture to activate the picture, then we click to open the format tab on our ribbon. From the format tab, we can add a lot of things to our pictures. How can we do this? Let me show you. Now, this is an example of a slide. This is the beginning of a presentation slide that we are supposed to create. So in our first slide, we have a topic called the COVID-19 coronavirus, presented by someone, by Patrick. Okay. Now you are also going to create something like this. And I expect you to learn how to add pictures. Because I need you to know how to add pictures, we're going to see how the methods at which we can add pictures to our presentation. Now on the right hand side here, by the way, you should know that this is a layout, it's a two content layout. If you look at it up here, that's two contents. So that's how this was created. This is a two content layout slide. On the left hand box, the type in this. On the right hand side, I want a picture of COVID-19 or a coronavirus picture. So we can add pictures by these icons we see here, or we just go to insert tab and click on insert tab and click on pictures. And also, if the picture can be found on this device, then we click this device. Now on this device, it's going to go to my pictures, and I can choose where I have the picture of a coronavirus. Now when you click that and click insert, this now will be on the right hand side of my presentation, while it has added more understanding to what coronavirus is to our audience. Now in this left hand side, you have the definition saying COVID-19 is an infectious disease caused by newly discovered coronavirus, and you see the picture of it. Now let's go to the third slide. On the third slide, we want to give more understanding, a more clearer picture of what the coronavirus is. So I'm going to show you the second way to add a picture. We're not going to insert tab this time. We're going to check it right here. Now from here, I can use this first one to add the picture if the picture is in my computer, while I can go online if I'm connected to the internet to also download the picture of COVID-19. It is safer to come through here. You would not see all those things that I know you're not supposed to see if you come through this method. by clicking the online pictures. So we'll click on online pictures. Now once you do that, we can search for coronavirus. Okay, now once I search on that, I can press enter. It's going to search only for coronavirus pictures, and I can choose it and click on insert. Now once I do that, it's going to gradually download the pictures, and voila, this is the picture right here. Now I have the explanation on the left hand side and I have the picture on the right hand side. Isn't that easy? Now on the fourth slide, I want us to illustrate how you can bring in a chart. Remember, you can add a chart through here, the icons on that text box, or I can go to insert and also click on chart. Now I can choose. We have various kinds of charts. We have the column charts, we have the line charts, we have the pie chart, we have the bar chart, we have the areas chart, we have the XY chart, we have the stock chart, various types of charts. But today I want to illustrate with the pie chart. The pie chart is circular, it's round. So I'm going to illustrate with that. I'm going to click on that and click OK. Now when I do that, it's going to load a little of Excel for me to explain what I mean by using these charts. In my first aspect, I want to use maybe first week of contacting coronavirus, and the second one I want to use the second slide. I will use the second row. Sorry, I'm going to use second week, and maybe in the third week, how infectious is this disease in the third week. Fourth week, maybe I should just remove fourth week. Okay, let's leave fourth week also. I'll just type fourth week there. Then I can now in percentage for how infectious the disease could be, the effect of the disease. So on the first week, it's going to be much more severe. So I'm going to give it like, let's assume we have the true statistics. So I'm going to just give it like maybe 5/10, maybe. Then in the second week, you'll be getting a bit cure, so the cure should be coming into place. So I'll give it about 3/10. Then in the third week, um, maybe I could give this 4/10. Then third week I'll give it 1/10. Then fourth week, nothing. So with that, it can explain why the biggest part of our chart here would be on the fifth week. In the fifth week, look at the first week. Sorry, first week you have more of it. Second week is next to this one. And the third week will be this. Then the fourth week would be nothing. So that's how this is going to explain. Now charts are pictorial way of explaining data, and this chart here has explained the data. Now make sure you don't forget the types of charts we've talked about. You can find different types of charts, and I've told you that you have to ensure you understand the different types of charts, because you would definitely find them coming out in your quiz. So I expect you to understand that and make sure you don't make mistakes. Now we've been able to show you how to manipulate pictures, how to add pictures. Now I want to see how you can manipulate these pictures. Now I'm going to go back to one of the pictures we have inserted. Then let's say we want this color or something to change about this picture. So I'm going to click on that picture and go to the format tab. Now on the format tab, we can decide to add some corrections to the picture. You can see when I come here, I can decide to make it much more brighter by clicking that. See, it's much more brighter. Then I can decide to, they could make it, reduce the brightness entirely and make it more darker if possible. Now just like that, once I click on that one, that is dark, so it becomes darker. Alright, depends on what you want to do. Just go around this, check for corrections, and select. You're manipulating the picture when you do this. Alright, so we can do several other things. You can decide to change the color presentation, color saturation. Can I come in here making it total black and white? You see that? That's for the color. Can do that in the colors. We can even um, reset the picture back to how it was. Anytime you make a mistake, you can always reset the picture, and if you click reset to take remove all the manipulation and editing you've done. Okay, all right, so we can do several other things here, but we're going to stop here today, and I expect that you will remember that to manipulate a picture, you have to go to the Format tab. You will remember that um, you would have to you have to remember that charts are important. They're pictorial representation of data, and we have different types of chart, like the pie chart, like the column chart, like the bar chart, the line chart, and several other ones like area, like scattered, like combo. So many different types of charts. You need to remember that. Also remember where you can find your insert tab, where you can find your pictures, your graphics in general, and all that. So make sure you remember that. Okay, thank you very much, and make sure you attempt the quiz immediately after this lesson. Thank you, and see you next week.